Hi everybody, I'm Elliot.
And I'm Jackie.
And we're not just cooking. And as promised, she's here in the kitchen and she's finna throw down. Whip it up.
Whip it up? Yes, I am getting ready to cook everybody's all-time favorite, which is chicken and waffles.
It's gonna be good too.
Yeah, so I am super excited about this dish. So I'm hoping that you guys will try it once you guys see us work through it. And here we go.
Here we go.
Okay, we have some already pre-washed chicken wings. Make sure you wash those thoroughly. And we are going to add some seasonings. I am using sazon, some lemon pepper, some garlic powder, and just some regular salt and pepper. But you are free to use whatever kind of seasoning you like for this dish. Once you have your seasonings mixed in, what you want to do is also add in buttermilk, a little bit of hot sauce. I use about a tablespoon of hot sauce and 1 egg, and make sure you coat the chicken thoroughly. Now you want to add some all-purpose white flour. I used about 2 cups of flour, and then also to make the chicken extra crispy, you want to add about 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Okay, you want to make sure that you place the chicken in the flour and then make sure you coat it all over. Make sure it's nicely coated. So we already preheated our oil, which should be nice and hot. So we're going to add our chicken to the basket, but make sure you keep the chicken nicely separated. We are only adding 3 pieces for this video. And you want to cook this until the chicken is golden brown. I am also going to make a lemon honey glaze to pour for some added flavor over this dish. And what I'm using is some lemon zest. I'm going to also use 1 whole lemon of fresh lemon juice, and I am going to add some honey. Okay, now once you have those mixed together, you want to cook over medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now for my waffle batter, please make sure that you follow the ingredients listed on the screen for the batter mix. Once you have all of your ingredients added, you want to whisk thoroughly until it's nice and smooth. But do not over whisk your batter. You want to just whisk for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now to keep your waffles from sticking, you want to coat your waffle iron with buttered flavored cooking spray, but you are free to use any cooking spray of your choice. Then you need to seal the waffle iron all the way to the top is covered.
Alright folks, here it is, our very own chicken and waffles by yours truly, Miss Jackie.